Hello everyone, welcome back to the HTML Mastery Course 2026. This is day 17 and today we are going to learn video elements. So the video elements is used to embed videos directly into a web page without using external plugin. HTML5 support multiple video format like MP4, WebM and OGG, making videos work across different browsers. So let's take the example. Here the video tag create a video player. Then the width and height attributes set the video size. The source attributes specify the video file and type tells the browser the video format, and control attributes display the play, pause, volume and full screen button, and the fallback text appear if the browser does not support HTML5 videos. So let's run any browser. Hello everyone, welcome to the code Ilyasoft. I am truly excited. Let's learn about video tag. The video tag embedded videos into a web page. It contains one or more source element to the browser. Choose the format it supported. So let's take the example. Video, start the video player. Then multiple source tag, improve browser compatibility. The browser automatically select the first supported format. Controls lets user play, pause, mute, change volume and enter full screen. And always provide fallback text for the older browser. Let's run in a browser. Hello everyone, welcome to the code Ilyasoft. I am truly excited to welcome you to our brand new course. Let's learn about poster image. The poster attribute display an image before the video start playing. It acts as a thumbnail and give user a preview of a video's content. So let's take the example. Poster is equal to and then the image. It shows an image before playback. The poster disappear automatically when the user click play button. It helps user understand what the video is about. A high quality poster image make the web page look and more professional and attractive. So let's run in a browser. So now the image is appear and now I'm going to click on the play button. So now the image is disappear automatically when click the play button. Now let's learn about autoplay and controls. The autoplay attribute start the video automatically when the page load, while the control attribute display built-in video control such as play, pause, volume, progress bar and full screen. So note this, most modern browser allow autoplay only when the video is muted. So let's take the example. Autoplay start the video automatically, then the mute attributes allow autoplay to work and most modern browser. Control display the play, pause, volume, timeline, speed and full screen option, and poster attribute show a preview image before playback begin. Combining these attributes create a better user experience while keeping the video easy to control. So let's run in a browser. Now here the video is muted. So now go back and remove the muted attribute. And now run again in a browser. Hello everyone, welcome to the code Ilyasoft. I am truly excited to welcome